Welcome to Neuro Profit AI. Today, we are going to talk about 5 costly pitfalls in the world of investing. These are common traps that many people, both new and experienced, can fall into. They seem small at first, but over time they can quietly drain your wealth and derail your goals. Are you making any of these mistakes without realizing it? Understanding 5 simple, powerful ideas can protect your money and grow it steadily. This will be clear, simple, and easy to follow, so you can invest with more confidence and less anxiety. Investing lets your capital work for you, creating a path to financial freedom, retirement, and life goals. But the path isn't straight. It's filled with missteps and psychological biases. These aren't complex equations, just behaviors you can correct with awareness and discipline. The goal of this channel, Neuro Profit AI, is to demystify investing. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Choices compound, for better or worse. Let's begin with the most tempting pitfall, the siren's call of the hot tip. Mistake 1, chasing hot tips. It's the urge to buy because you heard it's soaring right now. A coworker says a stock doubled in weeks. A friend swears by it. An article hypes it. FOMO hits with force. You feel urgency, like you'll miss a once-in-a-lifetime shot. This emotion triggers buys without research or fit to your plan. A coworker shows a small tech stock, up 300% in 2 months. The line goes almost straight up, driven by fear of missing out. You wire cash fast. Buy, near the top. Hype was speculation. Earnings disappoint. The stock plummets. You're left with losses and questions. The fix is simple. Stop, wait, breathe. Do your own research before a single dollar moves. Ask, why did it rise? Is it profits or hype? Does it fit my goals and risk? Even an hour of study can prevent a costly impulse. Invest, don't gamble on momentum. Build a repeatable process. Only buy what you understand and what fits your plan. Create a rule. Never buy on a tip without verifying facts. This habit protects you from boom and bust fads. Mistake 2, starting without a plan or clear goal. Like a road trip with no destination, you'll likely get lost and waste fuel. Many invest because they should, scattering money randomly. When volatility hits, directionless investors panic. With no goal, someone throws 10 grand into popular tech names. A correction drops them 20%. Unsure, they react emotionally, often selling at the worst time. The fix: create a simple one-page plan before you begin. Define the goal and time horizon. That sets your risk. State what you'll own, how you'll diversify, and how often you'll contribute. In rough markets, the written plan is your anchor, not the headlines. Mistake 3, ignoring diversification, putting all your eggs in one basket. It's easy to love a story or overbelieve in your industry. An energy worker loads savings into a few oil names. It works until oil crashes. A shock hits, prices plunge, concentration decimates their net worth. Diversification spreads risk so one failure won't sink the ship. Own stocks and bonds within stocks spread across tech, healthcare, consumer, financials across US and international. For most, low-cost index funds and ETFs are the easiest path. A US total market fund plus international fund plus total bond fund builds instant breadth. With a few clicks, you get broad, sensible diversification. Diversification reduces risk and smooths returns over time. Write the plan, then diversify to execute it consistently. Checklist: define goal, time horizon, asset mix, diversification, and contribution schedule. When emotions flare, close the app, open the plan. A good plan and broad diversification turn a hazardous trail into a steady route forward. Mistake 4, trying to time the market perfectly. Sell the peak, buy the bottom. Great in theory, brutal in practice. Even pros with resources fail at this all the time. Markets reflect millions of people, news, emotions, and variables. Short-term moves are chaotic. Sell on fear, wait for a dip, miss the rally, buy back higher. Timing whipsaws returns. The fix: dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount on a schedule. You buy fewer shares when high, more when low. Your average cost smooths out. It's not timing the market, it's time in the market. Stay invested through ups and downs. Let compounding work for years and decades. Mistake 5, letting emotions drive decisions. Greed pushes excessive risk, speculative chases, abandoning the plan. Fear during drops urges sell everything at the worst moment. Many fled to cash in 2020, then missed a swift recovery to new highs. Set rules before the game. Write and commit to your plan. Automate contributions to remove guesswork. When emotions surge, turn off the news, close the app, walk, wait 24 to 48 hours. Successful investing is managing behavior more than managing money. Your long-term success depends on staying disciplined when emotions scream otherwise. Rules, automation, and patience keep your hands on the wheel in any weather. Bonus trap: ignoring high fees and costs. A percent or two seems small, but over decades it's massive. Fees are a slow leak that robs compounding. Sarah uses a 0.1% index fund. Tom pays 1.5%. After 30 years at 7% gross, Sarah $710K, Tom $490K. That fee gap costs Tom around $220,000. Fix. Be fee conscious. Always check expense ratios on fund pages or prospectuses. Today, many broad index funds charge well under 0.10%. Some higher fee strategies may be justified, but keep your portfolio core low cost. Now, a simple routine, your fortress against mistakes. 1. Write the goal and when you'll need the money. 2. Build an emergency fund of 3 or 6 months essentials. 3. Use low-cost funds, US total, international total, total bond. Set allocations to match your risk and time horizon. 4. Automate contributions, dollar cost average. 5. Once a year, rebalance back to target. Discipline and simplicity are the bedrock of long-term success. In summary, avoid hot tips, invest with a plan, diversify, stop timing the market, and master your emotions. Use rules, automation, low fees, and time in the market. This is Neuro Profit AI, making investing simple and accessible. Stay smart, stay steady, and we'll see you next time on Neuro Profit AI.